Hello, my friends. I am so excited about this travel journal special that's available this month that I just had to show you. I opened it up and went, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So first, it comes with instructions. So step by step, how to assemble it and all the fun little pockets and things, how to do them. So yay, that everything's right here on one sheet for us to create this fabulous little book. And here's the book. Guys, I'm so excited. Seriously, this is going to be great if you travel at all. Okay, so great little book. Here's the pages that once you've got them fully decorated, they've got little pockets already built in. So these things slide right in here. And you've got two greens. So you do one green on each side, again with the pockets, and two blue. And you just put, ooh, there we go. This one, instead of a pocket, is a three-fold. So this one will go in there one way, right? And then we've got bloop, bloop, all different. It just folds right all these fun ways. And then you can still slide this one right in here. So we've got all these fun little pages that are then going to be part of this book. And that's just the beginning, okay? Because then I already did some punching out of all these little pieces, but it comes with little pages that you do punch outs. Let me pull everything right out of this box. All right, so we've got all these fun little tabs and more pockets that have score marks. So super easy just to fold them, tape that down, and then you've got extra little pockets for whatever your doodads are. There's 3 more of those pockets in addition to the 2 that are already in there. Some fun little journaling spaces and extra pages to add. Oh, there's 4. One more. Then we've got all these pages of gorgeous, super fun, easy to use stickers. Yeah, you heard me. They're stickers. Hooray. Love, love, love it. And these are stickers too. So this is just accent pieces that you can add to all of your beautiful pages. Stickers. Yeah, stickers. And I'm sure you may have noticed that we've got different kinds of languages going on too. So this is not a language that I understand. That is not a language I understand. And that is not. But this one, hello, smile, best day ever, delish, my travel journal. We travel not to escape life, but to life, but for life not to escape us. Oh, that's beautiful. Some great fun little stickers. And then letters, stickers to use for your titles, more stickers, more stickers. I am so, so happy. So this is called the Scenic Route Travel Journal. And you get everything in that box, including the book and all the pages and everything. It's $22 plus shipping and handling and tax. Very inexpensive. Item number 163904. I will post a link when I post this video. I'll share the artwork once I create it, but my gosh, if you like it, you're going to want to get it because I think this is something that's going to sell out pretty quick. It's amazing. Be sure to check it out.